friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change small letter into the capital letter in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cell where you want to capitalize letter. So after this, so use a formula is equal upper. So when you will write a upper, Excel will automatically suggest the formula of upper. So just double click the left side of mouse. So after this, you can see here select the text. So after this, close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see this text is changed into the capital letter. So if you want to capitalize all other text, so just select the cell where you created the formula. After that, place the cursor on the bottom right side of the cells, and here you can see plus options. When you will see plus option, then press the left side of mouse and drag to lower end. So you can see all text are capitalized. So guys, in this way you can change small letter into the capital letter in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.